knowing how to steam iron a dress shirt is like having a secret weapon in your wardrobe arsenal. A crisp shirt can elevate your entire look, but a wrinkled one can completely derail it. So let's dive in, shall we? First up, sorting by fabric. If you're ironing different shirts, it's crucial to check fabric types because not all can handle high heat. Overheating can scorch lighter fabrics, leaving you with a ruined shirt and a frustrated sigh. Start by filling the iron's reservoir with distilled water. Regular tap water contains minerals that can clog your iron. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being mid-iron and realizing you're running on empty. Begin with a low heat setting. You can always bump it up a notch if needed, but starting too hot can leave shiny patches or worse, burns. Consider like dating. Better to start slow than scorch everything on the first attempt. Place the shirt on an ironing board with back facing up. By starting with the back, you can avoid any additional creases that might form when you iron the front. It's like getting the hard stuff out of the way first. Next, focus on the yoke and shoulders. This is where most shirts showcase their wrinkles, especially if you've been slouched over like me at a computer. Use the pointed end of the board to maneuver efficiently. Pro tip, iron in long fluid strokes instead of short, choppy ones. Consistent movement allows steam to distribute evenly. It's akin to painting a masterpiece. Slow and steady reveals the real beauty. Move to the sleeves. And here's where many trips up. Flatten it along the seam and start from the top, working your way down. Sleeves can be the bane of shirt ironing, but patience will reward you with crisp lines. Now onto the cuff. Unbutton them for a smoother iron. Nothing says, I don't know what I'm doing, like crumpled cuffs peeking out from your jacket. Give them a sharp finish, and it changes the game entirely. Flip it over and iron the front. This is the coup de grace. A wrinkle-free front is crucial because, let's face it, it's the part of the shirt people see the most. Impress them with a perfectly pressed. Don't forget the collar. Lay it flat and iron both sides. A well-ironed collar frames your face, like a well-trimmed hedge frames a house. Trust me, people notice. Plus, it adds that extra bit of polish to your overall look. Finally, let it cool in a hanger. This step isn't just cautionary. It helps maintain the crispness. You wouldn't close an oven door immediately. Give it time to breathe and admire your work. Voila, you're done.